When you're working in demanding DIY projects, construction jobs, or heavy-duty carpentry environments, ordinary gear simply won't cut it. In this video, we're testing 7 indestructible EDC gadgets built to withstand tough conditions while helping you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. From rugged multi-tools and precision measuring equipment to magnetic wristbands that keep hardware within reach, these tools are designed for people who rely on their gear every single day. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a weekend builder, these EDC Essentials are built to take a beating and keep performing when it matters most. Number 1. He loosens his grip, hands full of scattered screws. A childhood lesson. Fix things, make memories, pass knowledge. But tiny parts slip away. Patience wearing thin. She watches him fumble, worries about his tired hands. We wanted a better way to keep things close. Meet the magnetic wristband. Simplicity wrapped in thoughtful design. Built from 1,680D ballistic polyester, durable and breathable. Adjustable strap guarantees a comfortable fit for every wrist. Inside, 15 powerful neodymium magnets hold metal pieces securely. Screws, bolts, drill bits, washers, all within reach. No more dropped fasteners, no more wasted time searching. Faster repairs, smarter projects, and calmer, proud moments together. From garage tinkering to campsite repairs, it adapts effortlessly. Carpenters, mechanics, campers, a trusted third hand always. Its large magnetic area keeps tiny hardware neatly stored. Durable construction stands up to rough jobs and daily use. Breathable material prevents sweat, comfortable through long working days. Gives confidence to fathers teaching kids simple repair skills. A gift that says, "I notice your quiet usefulness." Perfect for Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas, even stocking stuffers. Also ideal for moms, teachers, crafters, and weekend DIYers. Imagine his smile when tools stay put for once. He can focus, teach, build without chasing hardware. This wristband transforms small jobs into shared, peaceful moments. Compact, versatile, and reliable. A must-have toolbox essential. Give him speed, safety, and the gift of ease. Order the magnetic wristband today for smarter, kinder repairs. Make this Father's Day one of practical, heartfelt help. Click to buy now, give him tools he'll treasure. Small gadget, big love, every DIYer's new favorite companion. Number 2. I remember the first tiny ring I made for her. Precision mattered then, and it still matters in every detail. That's why I chose this stainless steel digital caliper. Durable, waterproof body, built to last through years of projects. It glides smoothly. Measurements read with reassuring accuracy. Zero reset lets me start fresh from any point. 4 measurement modes. Handle inside, outside, depth, step effortlessly. Large LCD is clear even under bright sunlight. 1-button conversion. Inches, millimeters, or fractions fast and simple. Accuracy plus or minus 0.001 inch gives me confidence on every measurement. Thumb roller and locking screw make repeatable measurements easy. I use it for jewelry, woodwork, and workshop fixes. It came with case, spare batteries, and a screwdriver. Every tiny perfect fit reminds me why craftsmanship matters. Protect your memories and projects. Get reliable, loving precision today. Number 3. Reason 1. One 7-in-1 toolkit replaces bulky clutter truly all in one. Reason 2. 440. A stainless steel blade, sharp, durable, rust-resistant. Reason 3. Safe self-locking tools prevent accidents during tough jobs. Compact 4. 3-inch slim profile fits pockets and packs without bulk. Tungsten YG12 wire cutter slices through mild steel effortlessly. Side lock design secures every tool. Operate confidently with one hand. Includes saw, scissors, screwdrivers, ruler, file, practical everyday essentials. Heavy-duty nylon sheath clips securely to belt or pack strap. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, survival, and weekend DIY. Makes a practical masculine gift. For fathers, friends, outdoor lovers. Solid 54 plus or minus 2 HRC hardness holds edge while resisting wear. Open tools smoothly with one hand. Quick, efficient, Intuitive. I'm a pro reviewer. I trust and recommend this multi-tool. Grab yours now, tap the link. Order with confidence. Limited stock for outdoorsmen. Don't miss this essential upgrade. Number 4. Tired of dropped screws and fumbling for a flashlight? Wasted time searching pockets? Losing small parts mid-job? Needing a hand while holding screws and shining light? Meet Galvanox Magnetic Wristband, your new third hand. 12 ultra-strong neodymium magnets keep screws and bits secured. Built-in rechargeable LED flashlight shines exactly where you work. 3 brightness modes, up to 5 hours on single charge. Premium ballistic nylon band adjusts for all-day comfortable wear. Hands-free directional light and magnets speed every repair. Before? Dropping screws? Searching pockets? Awkward flashlight balancing? After? Screws on your wrist? Work light focused? Tasks faster? Perfect for handymen, mechanics, electricians, and weekend DIYers. Makes a practical gift for dad, husband, or builder. 12 magnets, adjustable fit, detachable, rechargeable light, simple. Grab your Galvanox magnetic wristband today. Work smarter. Number 5. One rainy evening, his hands reached for a small tool. That little multi-tool fixed more than broken things. It mended toys, loose screws, and fragile family moments. Now I carry the same calm confidence with me. Meet the EPG Heavy-Duty Multi-Tool, my pocket-sized problem solver. 18 locking stainless steel tools built for dependable heavy-duty use. Strong pliers that grasp, hold, and steady your hands. Screwdriver bits ready for quick fixes. No junk drawer hunt. A bottle opener that cheers every small celebration. Box cutter for opening boxes. And small, brave projects. All tools lock securely. Safety that comforts your hands. Compact design tucks into any pocket, always within reach. Comes with a durable nylon case for safe carrying, lightweight enough for everyday carry, heavy duty when dead. This is Gear EDC. Enthusiasts will quietly admire DIYers, find its reliability like a trusted workshop friend. Outdoor lovers love the reassurance on solitary trails. It's a companion that steadies hands and hearts. Every engraved scratch tells stories of small, everyday victories. You'll be ready for repairs, quick fixes, and surprises. No more searching drawers. Confidence now lives in your pocket. Its stainless steel tools resist wear, built to last. A tool that cares for practical needs and memories. Imagine fixing a bike, opening bottles, saving a camping night. Small moments become warmer because you were prepared. Give someone dependable tools. You give steadiness and care. I recommend the EPG Multi-Tool with full, affectionate confidence. Carry it, gift it, keep memories stitched to daily life. Order now and slip calm confidence into your pocket today. Click below. Start making every small repair feel like home. Number 7. Choosing between cheap finders and pro-level accuracy. Which wins? Typical stud finders miss metal, wires, or give false positives. Basic laser levels lack detection. Many don't detect studs. PREXISO combines both. Stud finder plus manual crossline laser. Auto edge marking projects upper vertical laser on detection. LED turns red and audible beep confirms exact stud edge. Detects wood and metal studs to 3/4 inch. Also warns for live AC wires up to 1.5. Manual leveling uses 2 illuminated bubble vials for precise lines. Note: bubbles light only in laser mode, not detection. Calibration required before stud finding. One-button setup is quick. Works best on drywall and wood. Avoid lath and plaster. 3 fixing methods: pins, adhesive strips, and keyhole mount. Included kit: wall mount, adhesive strips, USB-C charging cable. Ideal for DIYers, homeowners, and contractors' fast, safe installations. Get PREXISO today. Measure, detect, level with professional confidence. Number 7. Tiny package, big promise. Unboxing the SOG KeyTron Now Close-Up Reveal. Compact stainless steel keychain knife. Sleek finish. Feels solid in hand. Surprisingly weighty for its size. Measures 3.5 inches closed. Pocket-friendly and discreet button release. Latch lets you add or remove keys quickly. No fiddly split rings. Smooth flick-to-attach action. Open it with a single quick thumb press. Smooth. Locking blade tech keeps the blade secure during use. Blade length is 1.8 inches, practical for everyday tasks. Stainless steel build resists wear. Looks great over time. Also doubles as a bottle opener. Super convenient. Thin profile, works well as a box cutter, substitute, perfect for commuters, EDC fans, and outdoor day trippers. Women-friendly design, lightweight, discreet, easy to handle. Button latch is intuitive, adds safety and convenience. No complicated maintenance, just rinse and occasional oiling. SOG warranty gives confidence, repairs and replacements supported. Eye-tested cutting tape, opening letters, and bottle caps blade handled tasks cleanly. No wobble or unexpected closing keyring latch held up through repeated on-off actions, compact enough to be your main keyring companion daily. Or clip it to your favorite keychain as backup tool. A great value for a durable, multifunctional EDC piece. Minor con: limited blade length for heavy-duty cutting chores. But for everyday tasks, it's exactly what you need. Styling tip: match it with minimalist metal keychains for cohesion. Solid pickup for commuters, hikers, and urban explorers alike. Recommendation: buy if you want dependable, compact EDC utility. Quick reminder: obey local knife laws and carry responsibly. Tap link below to grab the SOG KeyTron today. That wraps up our test of 7 indestructible EDC gadgets built for extreme DIY and carpentry environments. From the convenience of the magnetic wristband with LED flashlight, to the versatility of heavy-duty multi-tools, and the accuracy of a reliable digital caliper, each item offers practical value for demanding work situations. If you found a new tool to add to your everyday carry setup, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite gadget in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next gear review and EDC roundup.